Good morning, sir.
Morning, very good morning. Okay, so we are discussing about greedy technique. So this one, I will write a small note here. Let me take a small note. What is that note is nothing but in this greedy technique, most of the problems, most of the problems, most of the problems in greedy, contain n number of inputs, n number of inputs, again, and our requirement, our requirements, our requirements is finding finding of subset which will, I will tell you what is this exactly. Okay, don't worry. Which will satisfy, our conditions, and optimize optimize optimizes optimizes our goal. So this is exactly what we're going to discuss in this greedy technique. Basically, greedy technique is nothing but it's a shortcut. Okay, I will tell you why I will call this one as a shortcut. All those things. It is a shortcut. Okay, shortcut. Understood, everyone? It's very simple actually. Don't worry. Now, when you are doing the greedy technique, there are three important things we need to understand. Okay, first one, you take first one. What is this first one? First one is solution space. Solution space. First one is solution space. So what is this solution space is nothing but all possible solutions. I will tell you, don't worry right now. I will tell you what is this exactly. All possible solutions. All possible solutions. Okay. All possible solutions. Second one, I will going to take, that is feasible solution. Second one, feasible solution. Feasible solution. Here, what is this exactly? Feasible solution is nothing but set of all, okay, solution which will satisfy our conditions. Okay, so this is one. Again, third one. Okay, so what is this? Optimal solution. Optimal solution. That's it. So this one. Again, it is also something like it is one of the feasible, one of the feasible solution, one of the feasible solution which optimizes, okay, which optimizes our goal. I will tell you what is this exactly, don't worry. Okay, now see here, everybody observe here. So what I'm saying is most of the problems in the greedy contain n number of inputs. Okay, so you're going to have a n number of inputs, and our goal is to require the finding the subset which will satisfy our condition. Suppose I wanted to achieve something. So in that, what I will going to do, I will going to put some. So these are all basics actually. Basically, see here, all this, whatever the things we discuss right now here, whatever the things we discuss, these things, basics of greedy. Basics of greedy. Okay. Fine. So here I will tell you, suppose, for example, I am telling you, for example, I am giving here, see here, what is that example? For this one, I am giving the example. Suppose, think like that, there will be a classroom, okay, there will be a classroom. In this classroom, 500 students are there, okay, na? 500 students, fine. So in this 500 students, what I have to find? I have to find top 10 students. Top 10 students I have to find. Okay, na? Top 10 students I have to find it. So how to find the top 10 students? That is the biggest problem here. Yes or not? That is the biggest problem. So that's why what we're going to do in this, okay, this is thing like that, one complete group. Okay. So in this complete group, I have to find the top 10 students. So that's why these are all 500, all 500 is inputs are not here. This is, we will call it as solution space. Understanding everyone? All these 500 students is nothing but it's a inputs. All are inputs. That is what exactly I told you. That is solution space is nothing but all are inputs here. Again, what is that feasible solution? Okay. So here, how to get the top 10 students only? There are 500 students are there. You can see. Okay, there are 500 students are there. Think like that. There is groups like this, something like this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 50-50 like that. Something is there. Think like that 50. Group 150, group 250 like that. A number of groups are there. Okay. So many groups are there. Think like that. So many groups are there. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 up to GN like that. So many groups are there. So that's what exactly I'm telling. So suppose 500 students are there. In that 500 students, I have to identify top 10. I wanted to identify top 10. How to do this? That is the question here. Okay, that is the problem. So here, what we're going to do? You can identify top 50 also. You can identify for top 10 also. But what is the condition we are putting here? See, I am putting the condition. What is that condition? So to identify the top 10, I will going to put the condition something like if all are cross 75%. Okay, if see so much huge pool is there, yes or not? 500 students, in that 500 students, see example NCR, if I do 500 students are there, okay, in that I wanted to find 10 students. 500 students are there, in that I have to find the 10 students. Is it possible directly? No, not at all possible. Directly we cannot able to do directly. That is one biggest problem here. N number of inputs is there, that is okay, that is called it as, I will say that it's a solution space. First one, that is a solution space. But to identify top 10 students in this directly, no, it is not possible. It's difficult. Yes or not? It's really difficult. So that is the reason why what we will going to do, we will going to put condition here. One condition. We will going to put one condition. Sir, why condition? Because 500 students are there. If I don't put the condition, what happens here? It's impossible to identify top 10. So that is the reason why, what is my condition? At least student should cross 75%. Understood? At least student should cross 75%. Then only it is considered. Then consider at least 50 students. That is what I told you. In 500 students, at least 50 students. Okay, maybe 50 students. They will go to cross 75. Yes or no? They will go to class 75. So that's why. So at least we will going to get 50 students here. In that 50 students, I wanted to identify 10. It is easy or not? So that is what second what I'm saying is that very clearly feasible solution we have to find it. Feasible solution is nothing but set of solutions which will satisfy our condition. So whatever the things we have taken inputs in that, I applied one condition 75% you have to cross. Then only I will going to consider into the top students. Okay. So then I applied the condition. We got some 50 students in this. Okay. So in that we have to identify 10. It's easy now. Yes or not? It is easy now. Yes or not? Very simple. That is how you have to identify nothing but what exactly I'm talking about here. After that, what we're going to do, so in this, okay, in this we will going to identify some feasible solutions. That is what exactly the greedy technique is nothing but it should have inputs. Okay, it should have inputs. It should have inputs. Again, for that we will going to also apply one condition. Okay, so if the condition satisfies, okay, then that solution is an optimal solution. So feasible solutions, we will going to check it. What is that feasible solution here? Maybe in that 500 students, at least we will going to get 50. That is the feasible solution actually. Yes or not? Like how many inputs are there? N number of inputs, nothing but 500 inputs are there. That is also fine. That is called it as solution space here. Condition is nothing but to get the feasible solution. What we will going to do? We will going to apply one condition. So that is the reason why at least we will going to get 50. Okay. Finally, we will going to do some conditions. So we will going to do some algorithm techniques and we will going to identify 10 members. Okay. Something like if we got 93, 98, 91 or 99. So with the first, this is the first, this is the second. Okay. This is the third. Suppose if you got somebody something like 93 again. Okay. So this is both are third like that. Okay, we will going to identify those things. That is one technique. So these are all basics about greedy technique. One thing I will want to tell you, greedy technique is nothing but it's a shortcut. Shortcut to solve the problems. Shortcut to solve the problems. Next. Okay. So for that, what we will going to do, we will going to apply the condition like this. Again, one feasible solution we will going to get it. In that one optimal solution, we will going to identify. Okay, in that feasible solution, in one optimal solution, we will want to identify. Now come back, understand here. Most of the problems in the greedy contain n number of inputs. Yes or not? 500 is n number of inputs are right. So that is one. And our requirements is to finding a subset. Okay, subset is nothing but what? So once one number of inputs in that one solution we are getting, that is a subset which will satisfy our conditions and optimize our goal. Okay, in that subset, so what is that? There is a solution. So I will going to pick that solution. Nothing but we will going to optimize the goal. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. That is called it as greedy technique. But this is a just a definition I am giving. But I will tell you what is this exactly, and I will going to show you the problems. All those things. We will do the problem knapsack problem today. Okay, na? Okay. Let's see. Applications of greedy. We will see applications of greedy now. Applications of greedy. Now see here, what are the applications we have? You see, first one, job sequencing with deadline. Deadline. I don't tell any stories and all here because we don't have that much time. knapsack problem. Okay, knapsack problem. Again, third one, Hoffman coding. Hoffman coding. Fourth one, optimal merge pattern. Okay, again, fifth one, minimum cost spanning tree. Okay, this one you will get every time. I will tell you all these things. Okay, again, single source shortest path. Single source shortest path. So these are the things we will going to see. Again, coin problem is there. Seventh one, coin problem. Coin change. I will also take that. Maximum 3 days is enough for this. Okay. Next. Now see here. So we will going to see the knapsack problem. Okay now. Okay. Manoj, we will see the knapsack problem now. Okay. Now see here. Nidhi, shall we see the knapsack problem? First problem. Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Knapsack problem. Very interesting one actually. Knapsack problem. Very interesting one actually. Okay, see. Now see here, what is this exactly? Knapsack problem is nothing but actually basically it is called it as bag problem. Bag problem. Okay, bag problem. Bra problem. Okay. Now I will tell you, suppose think like that. One house is there like this. Okay, now one house is there. In this area, okay, living area. 1 minute. This area is living area. This area, what they have done, they kept one locker. Okay, in this area, they will use to put some valuable things here in this area. Here, think like that, there is a one object. Okay, here, think like that, one object is there. Here, think like that, one object is there. Here, think like that, one object is there. Okay, I will want to consider this is object 1, this is object 2, this is object 3, this is object 4. Okay, now think like that. The object 1 is a gold, 2 is also gold, 3 is also gold. Okay, so these are all gold. Okay, gold. And these people are living here. So this is house. Okay, fine. Now what happens? See here, there two compartments. You can able to see two parts are there in this. One is sleeping area. One is something think like that. Some valuable things they have kept here. Again, one area they are living area. Okay. Now what I wanted to say here. Think like that. These people are living here. All these people are living here. One thief will be there. Think like that. One thief at midnight. Okay. 2 a.m. What he used to do, basically thief, he wanted to steal the things, right? So he will go like this. Okay, so randomly he is going. Randomly he got this house. Getting randomly he got this house. Okay, silently he entered. Again he's searching everywhere. All are sleeping here, searching everywhere. Okay, and finally he entered the door. Unfortunately he entered the door. Okay, he switched on. He switched on the room light. Unfortunately there also. And on the table you can see there are 4 nice items are there. What is that? Gold. What is this? Gold. Okay, what is this? Gold. Now I will going to say object 1 Okay, having 12 kg. Again, the cost of the object is 200. Okay, object 2 having 8 kg. Just you take randomly. I'm taking 8 kg. Cost is 180. Don't 180 is nothing but think like that in terms of crores or lakhs. Okay, not 180, just 180. Object 3, the weight is 14 kg. 14 kg. Again 300. Okay. Object 4, the weight is 5 kg. Okay. The cost is 150. Understood? One. So we have a weight for that. Again, the cost also is there. Profit. Think like that. That is a profit. Okay. This is the weight. Now, he seen all these objects. He thought of what he will do. Basically, thief. He wanted to steal these things. And see, this guy, who is that? Thief. He is carrying one bag also. Please understand. He is carrying one bag also. He is carrying one bag also. What is that bag size, bag capacity? So that one I will going to take m is equal to 31. This bag capacity is m is equal to 31. So this fine family, what they have given, they given the option also. What is that option? You can take the items in fraction also. Okay, in fraction also you can able to take the items. Okay, suppose 12 kg is there, you can take it 6 kg like that. Fraction also they have given 6.5 kgs, all those things like that. And this thief started taking all these things. Suppose think like that. If the back capacity is 31, please understand here, the back capacity itself 31, and you wanted to carry all these things. Now you tell me what is the total weight of this? Okay, what is the total weight of this? Basically, see here, uh, 12 plus, you can see 12 plus 8 plus again 14 plus 5. Okay, so when you see this one, basically we know that it exceeds this bag or not. It exceeds this bag or not. If I carry all these things, what happens? Basically it may break, it may tear. Yes or not? Nothing but what, that is the reason why we will say this one as a back problem. That is the reason why basically it's a back problem. Nothing but this thief wants to carry some objects from the home, but he should earn the more profits. You should earn the more profits, but you should not cross this capacity. 31 is there now. Yeah, you should not cross the capacity. If you cross the capacity, what happens? That is not the feasible solution. Nothing but what? Bag may tear. Yes or not? So 31, up to 31 he can able to carry the objects. That much weight he can able to carry. That is what I am telling you. M is nothing but it's all about capacity. Okay, M is nothing but it's all about capacity. Okay, so the entire idea of this problem is very simple. See what we are doing exactly here. So he's taking his bag with the capacity of 31. Again, he wanted to carry all these things. For example, 26. Okay. Uh, totally how much? Hmm, 30. Okay. So let me calculate this one. See here. So we have 12 plus 14, 26. 26, 31 plus 8, you will get 39. Okay, total weight of these four objects, total weight of these four objects is 39. Here you can see total weight of the four objects is 39 here. Yes or not? But if I put all 39 over here, what happens? It may tear. That is a problem. That is not a feasible solution. Okay, objects are inputs here. Here you can able to see objects are inputs here. Okay, total inputs. Now, sir, we understood everything, whatever the things you have said about the knapsack problem. So that is the reason why they kept this one as a bag problem. Nothing but what, this guy wants to carry the profit, more profits with this limit. What is the limit? Nothing but capacity. So 31 is the capacity of this bag. So he wanted to carry the maximum profits. That is what exactly, how much profits he can able to carry with this particular capacity. That is what exactly, that's why they have called this one as a bag problem. And finally they kept one technical name, that is called it as knapsack. Okay, knapsack problem. Okay, now understand here, very simple. So I will going to give you the solution for this. Please understand everyone. I will going to give you the solution for this. Okay, how you will going to carry more profits, all those things I will show you. For example, solution, I am giving the solutions here everyone. Okay, solution I am giving. Okay, for weight 12, see here, object 1, just I am talking about object 1, weight is how much? 12. Correct? Weight is how much? That is 12. What is the profit we are getting? 200. Okay, what is the profit we are getting? 200 crores, something like that. Okay, 12 kg of gold. Okay, so what is the profit? 200. Again, for 1 kg, please here, for 12 kg, 200 profit I am getting. For 1 kg, I have to identify. Yes or not? For 1 kg, how much profit we have to identify? So that's why for 1 profit, that is equal to, see here, for 1 kg, how much profit we are getting, we have to identify. That's why 200 divided by 12. Okay, na? Everybody okay? 200 divided by 12. Then I will going to get the 1 kg profit. So that is equal to, how much you will going to get it? That is 16.66. You will going to get it. Okay, this is for object 1. Let's take object 2. Okay, here. What is the object 2? 8 kg. 8 kg is there. Okay, what is the profit we are getting? 180. For 1 kg, how much profit we are getting? Okay, for 1 unit. So let's take, for 1 unit, how much we are getting? 180 divided by 8. So what we are getting? 22.5. Okay, again object 3. So object 3, what is that? 14 kg. Okay, so what is the profit we are getting? That is 300. Okay, now for 1 unit, how much we are getting? 300 divided by 14. So nothing but how much you will going to get it? 21.44. Okay, na? Again object 4. Here, fifth one. So how much is the profit? 150. 5. Again for 1 unit, how much we are getting? 150 divided by 5. So total we are getting 30 here. Correct? Okay. Now you tell me here very clearly, we understood. For 1 unit we are getting this much. Again for 1 unit we are getting for object 2, object 3, again object 1. Now you have to select here. Guys, you have to select here. What you have to select? Which one is giving more profit for 1 unit? This is giving more profit 30. Then select this one as a first one. So this one as a first one. Okay, first one. Again, select this one as a second one. Which one is giving highest? Second one. So this is the second one giving the highest. Select this one as a second one. Okay. Again, this one giving next. So that is 3. So this one finally last. That is 4. Now see here. This guy can carry this much amount of weight with the most profits. How we will going to do that one? I will show you. For example, see here, everybody observe here. Now, see here, what I will going to do. So basically, profits, current profits for that particular thief is, what is that? P is equal to 0. I will going to say. Okay. I will going to do one more problem also. Don't worry. So what is the current weight of the bag is 31 kg. It's possible. Okay. Now see here. Now what we will going to do, basically observe here, everybody please observe. Okay. First one, what I will going to do here. Okay. I wanted to make it 0. So this bag is there now, 31 kg it will take. Okay. This bag. Okay. So this one I wanted to make it 0, nothing but what? Full bag he has to take the gold. Okay, full bag he has to take the gold. That is what exactly idea is. So that's why what I will going to do, I will going to carry. Can I carry 5 units of this bag? In this bag, can I carry 5 units? Total 5 kg is there. Can I carry 5 kg? Yeah, of course I can able to carry. That is the reason why 31 minus. Okay, I have to reduce this. That's why 31 minus 5 into 1. Yes or not? 31 minus 5 into 1. That is equal to how much weight left is in the bag? 26 is left. Before it was 31. Now 26 is left. Correct? 26 is left. Okay. Now what is the profits we will going to get it? For this one, you can able to see 5 units means what is the profit we are getting? 5 units means 150 we are getting the profit. So that is the reason why. Hence before what is the profit value? That is 0. 0 plus 150. Okay. What is the final profit? You got it when you carry this one. You got 150 profit. Okay, when you carry this one, what is this one? Object 4 you carried. Yes or not? When you carry the object 4, you got the profits here. How much profit you got it? You got 150. This is the first one for object 4. Object 4. Okay, now after that, see here, over, this is over. Second one, see here, second one. What is that? So how much, what is the left back weight is left is what? 26 is there. You should not cross that one. If you cross that one, you will not going to get the feasible solution. So that's why 26 minus, here everyone, 26 minus. So what is the object to, what is the profit we are getting? 22.5, 22.5 we are getting. So that is the reason why what I can able to carry 8 also. Total 8 kg I can able to carry. That's why 26 minus 8. That is equal to, what is the left weight? 18. Yes or not? Left weight is 18. Okay, nothing but 26 was over. What is the back capacity now? 18. Okay, now what is the profit we got it here? For object 2, 150 plus. If I carry 8 kg also, what I will going to get it? 180. So that is equal to total how much you will going to get it? 320. Correct? 320. Again see here, over, everybody, I think everybody understood this one. Now over, that is also over for object 2. This is object 4. Again see, again, so next one is object 3. We'll going to see for object 3. Okay, for object 3. Now what we're going to do, basically it's 18 now. Okay, so what is the capacity? 18. 18 minus, can I carry this one object 3? 14 totally? Yes. So that is the reason why 18 minus 14. So what is left here? So 4. Nothing but the capacity is left is 4 here. Okay, capacity is left is 4. Now okay, 320 profits plus. If I carry this completely 14, how much you are getting? 300. Nothing but what you will going to get it? That is equal to 620. Correct? 620. Now that is also over. Again, final ones here. This is the final one. Final one. Everybody observe here. Final one. So object 1 now. Yes or not? Now, see, can I able to carry this one completely? 12 kgs? Not at all possible. Yes or not? Not at all possible. Not at all possible. Is it possible? Not at all possible. So that's why, okay, I will carry in this. How much weight is there? That much I will going to carry. Because we have an option. We have a condition. We have an option. We can able to carry that much. So that's why what we're going to do here. See here, everybody. 4. What is left is 4. 4 minus, okay, 12 in, okay, 4 minus 12 into 4 by 12. Nothing but out of 12, how much I am carrying? Only 12 I am carrying. Yes or not? Out of 12, how much I am carrying? Only 12 I am carrying. Understanding everyone? Okay. So that's why 12, 12 cancels here. You can able to see 12, 12 cancels here. So what you got? 4 minus 4. Nothing but I am carrying 4. Nothing is totally I will got 0. Yes or not? Totally 31 size capacity we filled it. So nothing but what we're going to do? 62 profit we got it. Last one 62 plus, okay, What is the weight of this? 12 kg. Again, for to get the 1 kg of weight, what we did here basically, so 200 divided by 12. Yes or not? 200 divided by 12. So I am carrying only 4 kg. 4 divided by 12. Yes or not? 4 divided by 12. That's the reason why see here 600 profit into 4 divided by 12. Okay, 4 divided by 12. So what you will going to get it? Some value like this. What is that? 696.67. This is your maximum profit you will going to get it. This is how you have to do it. See, out of 12, see here, if you are not able to understand, see here, out of 12, how much I am carrying? How much I am carrying? Only 4. That's the reason why 4 by 12. Okay, out of 12, how much I am carrying? That's the reason why 4 by 12. Here also, see here. So for 12 kg, 200 profit is there. Okay, into 4 by 12. For 4, I am calculating. So this is the profit we are got it. Again, what is the optimal solution? I will going to show you here. See here, everybody. What is the optimal solution? The optimal solution is very simple here. For first one, this one I considered as object 1. That's why 1 by, okay, see here, x1. So that's one. So what we'll go to, how much we are carrying here? That is 4 by 12. Okay, that is 4 by 12 here. Again, this one, x2, 1 by, again, completely we carried. Nothing but, 1 is nothing but completely we carried. Okay, x3, again, 1 by x4. Yes or not? In this, we carried only 4. Yes or not? Out of 12, we carried only 4. In this x2, out of, what is that? x2 is nothing but this one, 8 kg. Okay, so this one we carried all the things, all. This is our optimal solution. This is our final profits. Got it? Okay, so this is maximum profit we earned here. This thief earned maximum profit, that is 69, okay, 696.67. So maximum profits here and after doing the test. Okay, na? Understood everyone? Manoj got it? Manoj understood? Manoj, we will do one more problem. Don't worry. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So we'll do one more problem. Okay. So all this is very simple one, and we will finish one more problem so that you will get proper understanding about this. Okay. Rejoin once again.